Come on, Marcus. Now I know you didn't get your certificate from the black market. Of course, if somebody's having a heart attack, they would require help.
Cute, Maxine. You are smart indeed. Just one other thing.
Oh, God.
If a person suffers from a heart attack, does it normally be accompanied by blunt trauma to the head, face, and upper body?
Maybe they fell.
Multiple times. Highly unlikely, Maxine. And it was conveniently left out of the report. Now, isn't that strange?
Marcus, unless this is an investigation, I'm going to ask that you and your lackey get your evidence together and then we can speak. But in the meantime, unless it is politically inclined, you are not invited to this office.
You're getting too big for your britches, Maxine. And just remember, you only have 2 weeks left in this office. So enjoy it and relish with your insults.
2 weeks? Are you sure about that? Remember, Marcus, after all, I am the petition queen.
Is that you entering Stephanie Clark's home? February 21st at 8 a.m. If you look at the face, looks a lot like you to me, Maxine. Have you heard of Jamaica Eye? I'm sure you have. But this is called Inside Jamaica Eye. A surveillance to watch the surveillance. Maxine, the report stated that Stephanie had a heart attack at 8:30. But yet still, you were in the house from 8 o'clock. And in the report, there is nowhere in it that stated that you were on the premises, that you were there. You signed off on it, Maxine. Are you clairvoyant? Did you get a vision? Did you try to help her? Did you call an ambulance? Did you tell people you were there, Maxine? Because none of this is in the report. So, Maxine, what's your play here? No quick quips? No insults? No low blows? Let me help you, Maxine. Let me tell you what you're going to do. You're going to quietly leave this office. I'm going to give you 3 days. Or you're going to rot in prison for murder. And I make sure that a full book is thrown at you. You have 1 week. I changed my mind. 1 week, Maxie. Checkmate.